Good morning, teacher Karen. My name is Mayra Peralta Matallana. The best climate in the country. TINJACA. Rating of TINJACA. TINJACA is known for map, limits with place. TINJACA is known for the best weather in the country and its delicious arepas. As many tourists try your arepas, tourists like their weather. Limits with. In the north it limits with Sutamarchan. In the south it limits with Ráquira. In the south it limits with San Miguel de Sena. Park Principal. TINJACA is my town. In TINJACA there are one park principal. Sliding in my town is not so cheap. It is town small and cute. Between the park principal there is a playground. There is a police department. It was opened in the year 2021. There is a house of government. The name of the mayor is Alcilber Sierra Mendieta. There is a hospital. There is a health center. Its name San Blas. There are two different schools. Their names are Mariano Ospina Perez is near the park principal, and Mariano Ospina Menor is a school small. There is a one daycare center. There go my nephews. There is a stationery shop. The church is in front of the park principal. It's an old place and also peaceful. There is a small handicrafts shop. I work there some days. There are two hotels. This is the tourist complex. The hotel is El Zaguán de la Rueca. It's modern and big. The name of its owner is. This hotel is Nuevo Milenio. There is a shopping center and ball club. The hotel is next to the park center. There are three bakeries. There is a coffee shop next to bakery. In bakeries there are bakers and waiters. They sell bread and arepas. This is the supermarket of Venezuela. There they sell different foods. It is on the left side of the bakery. There is an ice cream shop across from the hotel Nuevo Milenio. It is a small town to amazing, interesting, fantastic, safe, prosperous, peaceful, and very beautiful, and it is my favorite place in the world.